Hello guys, Jack from Foxtech. Today I'm going to show you our new quadcopter. This is the Foxtech Hover 2 quadcopter. Actually, it's the folding quadcopter made of full carbon fiber and also the composite materials. Well, you may be familiar with the Foxtech Hover 1. It's a first generation, small folding, very light, and quite long flight time. And the Hover 2, we did a tremendous upgrade on it, and you can find a bigger propeller, bigger motor, and longer wheelbase up to 850 millimeter. And also the flying time of the Hover 2 could reach 75 minutes. And that is quite amazing for this small-sized quadcopter frame. Okay, so unlike those very bulky frame and very bulky quadcopter like DJI type, the Hover 2 features a very user-friendly design. So that means we just keep what we want on the frame. And for example, we added a dust and a rainproof cover, so we can put a cube orange flight control inside. Well, just check this. So GPS and compass module on the top to get it avoid of those very big interference coming from the ESC or motor. So it's the best place. And also the cube orange coming with the ADSB function and all cool functions from those Pixhawk and autopilot firmware. You can also use the PX4 firmware, of course. Okay, just like I mentioned, the wheelbase of the Hover 2 is 850 millimeter, and also the folding size is only 450 millimeter, so it's like this big. So now I'm going to do you an example about how to fold the Hover 2 in a very quick manner. So we have 4 locking screws here. They are very durable. We tested a lot of times in the first generation. So you don't need to remove the battery or the gimbal or the camera or the propellers, just like this. Yes. So it becomes a lot smaller. Yes. So just need maybe a bag, and you can take it away. Also, you can choose to fold the landing gear. Yeah. If you don't have a camera hanging below, you can fold the landing gear, so it becomes very small. Okay, you can also choose to remove the propellers, so it becomes even smaller. And later on, we will offer you a version with the folding propellers. So actually, you don't need to remove the propellers for transportation. So, well, you can see full carbon fiber arms, and also the body, the main plate. We have put in a 200 amp power distributor inside, and also we can use the 50 amp ESC for each motor. So the RTF weight with no battery and no payload is only 2.6 kilo. For this size, the quadcopter is quite light. So duration 75 minutes without payload by using our very famous Foxtech Diamond semi-solid battery. So it's quite amazing, very condensed power inside. So by added 1 kilo payload, the flying time could still reach 55 minutes, still long enough. And also you can see this frame, unlike those coming with the folding landing gear, it comes with a full thicker landing gear. Thicker is compared with the Hover 1 version. So the next generation, the Hover 2, comes with the thicker landing gear, much more durable, and it also can be folded like this way. Pull and fold. So easy. Yeah, it keeps at place. And this is a very nice platform for surveillance, inspection, and mapping. You can also use those oblique camera with 5 lenses, and the landing gear is keeping apart, so it doesn't avoid any view of any camera. So the X type, the X frame design, can give the inspection camera a very wide angle of view. So if you want to do the inspection with the camera, you won't see landing gear coming inside of the view very frequently. So it's a lot of the benefit of this frame. So also you can see we have made a special shock absorbing platform here. And so once we mount inspection camera and its gimbal, it's very stable when flying in the air. So for the propeller, we use a 22-inch propeller. It's much bigger than the first generation. So that's why the flying time can reach so long, up to 75. So today I'm going to show you an inspection combo of a Hover 2. It comes with the EH314 camera and also the MX16 remote controller, and also you can see it as a data link and a video link. So because we can directly see the video so easily here, and also for autopilot, keep the video smaller, we can directly assign those waypoints here. Okay, so easily. So we are using the standard version of a Q ground control software. This MX16 is based on Android system, so any kind of Android system software we can run on it. And also you can run the mission planner. There's a special version of Android mission planner here, but I strongly recommend you to use the Q ground control software because it's so easy to use. Okay, so MX16 comes with a 16 channel, so it's enough to control the pan and the tilt, and also let's see in this way, the pan and tilt, and also zoom. So if you see clear, you can see it's zooming up to 14 times. So easy to use. And when you go outside for inspection, or even for mapping, you just take one radio and a quadcopter in a small box and some batteries, and the job can be done without taking out a lot of data link or video link antenna. No, the MX16 can give you a 10-kilometer range, so it's quite enough for any kinds of job similar. Okay, so for other kind of application of the Hover 2, you can use a mapping camera, a single mapping camera like the Map 01 or 02 in our shop, and also the A7R camera, and we are going to come with a A7R2 that's with a better resolution. And also you can choose to use our oblique camera, so for those 3D mapping, 3D modeling of the ground. And there are many applications you can find for the Hover 2. So I strongly recommend this machine to those who want to make the contract done with without very bulky boxes or very bulky batteries, and with the Hover 2 and this MX16, you can do the job in an easier way. Okay guys, thanks for watching. This is Jack from Foxtech, and this is the Foxtech Hover 2 quadcopter combo. You can find it in our shop, which is the foxtechfpv.com. And also, you are welcome to see our social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, and other kinds of social medias. And you can find a lot of interesting news, up-to-date, maybe discount and sales there. And I hope you like them. And see you in the next video. Bye.